Hello guys, ayan bokeh pa rin tayo. Pahiti last 2, bokeh tayo So 9 PM update tayo. Si 850 lang ang pwede doon at saka si 294 yung probables natin. Binigay ko for today. Sila lang dalawa ang pwede doon and yung double. So additional probables tayo for 9 PM February 17 So unang bola 794 205 kung i-slide na rin nyo 305. So yan po additional probables tatlo for 9 PM February 17. Good luck, God bless.